Ago madowizono no vivi dorola planukwala va nye YouTube ya banaji nena mak maji apa ye si apa jijeje nyue na etapa jijivie ese mia gao mia pa no so strong lepa ya ma ja agbagba benye no so strong gado wala matenu atrawo de English gbam plus suba amasio na do atom no viva victor la plano polo yo mas gbola watenu ase mi apa no so strong gom la ba amagedo poaka na mo okatai globe o ye onya gake yo mas gbo ya tama jabagba mano ashitrom le enu adonu plus suba yo yo atenu ano ogomsam ayata le poyama nenema emoge. Hello, I welcome you to my channel, and I am so excited to see you in this new year. Happy New Year to everyone. One thing that I will do this year is I will try my possible best to translate all the studies, all the teachings into the Ewe language for those of my followers who do not understand the Ewe, because I've been receiving a lot of messages from people saying they are an Ewe, they don't understand the Ewe, so I should try my best to be interpreting some of the things for them also to partake. So this is exactly what I'm going to do this year. So today we'll be looking at some proverbs, some adages. Mostly this type of proverb, I do call it personified proverb, because the characters in it were not humans but who talk as humans. Agbamiala nukuda adagana aton adawonu ka adagana banto sinumiala nukudwa ayenya adoglo chuba na dedita maunula ayakwe ya adon alon adoglo chuba na dedita maunula ayakwe ya adon alon. And if I want to translate this literally, it says, unless God is tired before it will sleep or it can sleep, says by the male lizard. The male lizard says, unless God is tired before it can sleep. And what's the moral of this proverb? This proverb is teaching us to persevere in whatever we do. We should be consistent in our actions. And nous serons que le dodo siamo. Nous serons banto enye vie dodo. Alo kuchiri kuku. Alo mia duba vile no siano ika wonye la mo. Na jaba mia kukuchiri. Ba no siano si mia ba shi sula. Mia we o dablibo. Alo dodo avali alo adaga na avali sino mia la no kudwa ayenya. Adogoba moto no la ejiasi epo futon. Adogloba moto nola jasi epo futon. And if I want to translate it, I'll say, he who sits by the roadside knows the enemy, or those who sit by the road knows their enemy, says by lizard. Those who sit by the road know their enemies, says the lizard. Adogloba moto nola jasi upon futon. And what this proverb is teaching us is alertness. You have to be alert in whatever that we do. Elabamia no nujo. Lododo si anujo no fiami. Benu shanu ikamia ola. Labamia no nujo. Lododo etonli alo adagana etonli asinomia la nukura ayanya aganaba domanyo tai tamala yesi odo domanyo tai alo domanyo wowo tai tamala yesi odo. And if I want to translate it, the English says, it's the benevolence of the crab that causes the loss of its head. It's the benevolence of the crab that causes the loss of its head, that causes it to lose the head. A crab is not having hair, it's out of its benevolence. So that's what this proverb is saying. That too much of everything is bad. Too much of kindness, too much of benevolence, too much giving everything that you have out without thinking twice. Say too much of everything is bad. Na enu wo me uga choma ha no nya no nwi ha do blanu la manu eyata eleba miala no premia ponu wona onu lododo analia sinomiala no kura eyanya agalaba yela ahajizon gaka manyamo yabuo yela ahajizon gaka manyamo ebuo, says the crab. Though I walk sideways, but that doesn't entail that I lost my way. Though I walk sideways, doesn't mean I lost my way. And what's the moral of this proverb? This proverb is teaching us that there is a reason for everyone's action. What you see someone doing is because of a reason. No sosro ina la lododo ya maaye nyaba tarojinu le no shia no si amada wo nuti no si na kpo amada wo la wo mla tarojinu ada tai agalaba yela ahajizon gaka manyamo yabuo. And the final one, lododo mamleto sinumiala no kuro ayanya aguto be tatrogbo modro aloglo ama o aguto be tatrogbo modro aloglo o. Says the bat, he who turns his head upside down can never put on a hat. He who turns his head upside down can never put on a hat. You know, always bats, when you see it swinging on the tree, the head is always down. There is no way it can put on a hat. So what this proverb is teaching us is awareness, self-awareness. We should know ourselves, know who you are. No si lododo si amia fiama enya ba nyanya masi nyanya mia adejashi mia dokwi shijeje amadokwi enya no si mia tenu asroncho alododo si amo lododo si omo gblola no sosron gadola mo eta na adejashi do aloji be apere mia no mia sede gomo wa de to chito la mede kuku atenu angle de comment section na na makamo ga nglobo na ama no sosrosia pla amashama tapaka kwilo YouTube or Facebook or madakuku na me na share na maka na subscribe da nyaba YouTube channel na kula mido la Facebook abanyawo kula afokojo na maka na jibe a join nyapo WhatsApp group la ala be agere nyapo WhatsApp habobo ama atenu apo kanami na lo na apo kanam to 0242 582123 0242582123. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share. Meet you in the next lesson.